Okay, today we're going to make a tofu scramble using some organic extra firm tofu, some minced garlic. If you have onions, you can throw onion in this. Got some leftover bell peppers, some baby spinach, and some of my favorite salsa, and some guacamole. I'll start just by cutting this in 3 large chunks. And the pan's medium heat, nice and hot. So I'm just going to simply break up the tofu into the pan. I find the extra firm tofu works best for the scramble. And again, if you got onions, you can throw those in here. That'd be great. I don't have any onions right now. And I'm going to put some fresh ground black pepper, a tiny bit of ground cumin, and a little bit of minced garlic. I'm going to pour about maybe half a cup of salsa, some mild salsa, and this mix all the ingredients together in the pan. And we'll let this kind of cook and simmer for a few minutes. And while that's heating up, go ahead and chop up this last of this red bell pepper that I have. But again, whatever vegetables you like, you can throw in there. If you don't like bell pepper, you don't have to add it. It's starting to cook good now. I'm also making some pancakes to go along with the tofu scramble, chocolate chip pancakes. Next, I'm gonna flip the pancakes right quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some vegan Mexican style shredded cheese. And again, you can add this, don't add this. Everybody's preference is different. Sometimes I know it can be hard to find a good vegan cheese that tastes good and melts nicely. Okay, yeah, it's been about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. It's looking pretty good. Cheese is melted in. Pancakes are done. Go ahead and plate this. I'm also going to serve it with some berries. Put the pancakes on the plate. And I'm going to just put some of the fresh baby spinach on the plate. And then put the scrambled tofu on top of the spinach. And as far as we can put on top of the scrambled tofu, I like guacamole. But if you like ketchup or salsa, it's up to you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.